Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video we're going to be replacing both of the cabin air filters for a Porsche 911 991. This is also for the 981 and I believe the 997, I'm not too sure about that, but for the 991s and the 981s or the 911 and the Cayman, this is for you. So with this, I actually did pick these up on Amazon for the interior cabin air filter. I did pick up this one. There will be links in the description down below so you guys can pick these up on Amazon. And for the one that goes under the front hood, there is the Mann filter here. This is actually the factory spec one. So whenever you pull out the original one, this is the exact same one that does come in the car from factory. Also, it's on Amazon, so don't pick it up at the dealership. Save yourself a ton of money. Hop on Amazon, pick this up, especially if you guys want to get the actual OEM ones. But let me go ahead and get started with opening the front hood and get started with that filter. All right, so once we open the front hood, you're gonna see this panel up here with these two little spots. You can actually grab in right there on each side and lift this panel just up and out and just go ahead and set this aside. All right, so the air filter is actually going to be located under this kind of boomerang shaped panel. And if you guys were not aware, this right here is actually an air compressor, so you can pop off that panel and you can inflate your tires as you need to. But what we're going to do is go ahead and pop off these little tabs. You're just going to push out on it while applying upward pressure on the top cover. So you can kind of see when you just do that, they just pop off one at a time. And then you got one back here. Or you can actually just leave it right here. You don't need to take it all the way off. Right here is the filter, so you can go ahead and pull straight up on that, and it does curve down into place. And as you can see, this one is pretty dirty. So let me go ahead and grab the new one here. All right, look how nice that looks, especially compared to the old one. But if you were curious, there is the info on the old one, and then there's the new info. So it's the exact same filters, the exact same numbers and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and orient it where the numbers and everything are the same. It probably doesn't really matter, honestly, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it this way. You're gonna slide it right in. There's a little track, so it's just gonna follow that down, and it just follows that curve right into place. And now when you close it, just go ahead and make sure that all the tabs line up, and then you make sure you just push it down into place, and each one will just clip right into place. There we go. And now let's go ahead and move on to the inside and do the other air filter. All right, so where this next one is located is very tricky to get to. So right up here is actually the glove box right here. So if you open it, this is where it drops down. And then this is up underneath the footwell. You're gonna see this like little kind of foam type material. There's gonna be like three like little plastic screws. And you're gonna go ahead and unscrew those. You guys can use a flathead or a coin. All right, and once we have those out, we can go ahead and pull down on this. Ignore this wire because it is for my dash cam. I just kind of ran it through right there. So there we go. It's going to pull that foam down out of place, set it aside. And now we can get to where the filter actually is, which is a little panel located right up here, going diagonal. All right, so in order to open that, you're just going to reach up, grab the edge, just kind of more, I guess, to the right side, and just pop it straight down, and it does swing down. The floor is kind of close, so you're just going to have to kind of wedge it in there, and then you can reach up in here and grab the filter and pull it down and out. There we go. And it will kind of get a little mangled. There we go. And then this one's showing the airflow is pointed to the right, so when we put the new filter in, we're going to orient it in the same direction. All right, so we put the new one in. The old one was oriented like this, but actually should be with the sides facing down. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then the airflow pointed towards the passenger side. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this up in here. It will have to kind of get twisted and deformed and kind of mangled a little bit just to be able to fit all up into that little spot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. There we go, and once you do that, you can go ahead and flip the little door up. All right, snap it into place. Take your little foam and go ahead and resituate it back up. Make sure that the AC vents do line up with these little holes that are located right there. And then we can go ahead and take our little screws and put them all three back in place. All right, and just like that, we are done. All right, so if this video did help you guys out, put down in the comments down below, let me know. Also, if you have any other questions or concerns, put those in there as well. But like I said before, if you guys do want to pick up these filters, there will be links in the description down below. Hop onto Amazon, pick them up, have them at your house same day, next day, or at least within a week if you live out in the middle of nowhere. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.